In this video, I'll show you how to change the inputs of your Hisense Roku TV without having any remote control. So it's very easy. I can also show you how to turn on and off the TV. So let's say you have lost your remote control. What you need to do is to go under your Hisense Roku TV. Let me show you. So I have put the TV on its back just to show you. So this is under my TV and you're gonna notice there is a power button. Okay, mine is over here. Maybe yours is on the right side or on the left side, depending on which Hisense TV you have. So I just want to point out where it's located. What you need to do is to press once on this button. So just give it a small tap. And then a menu will appear on the left side. This menu will disappear if you don't touch anything. So let me tap it again. If you want to shuffle through the different settings, you're gonna give small taps on this button. Don't keep your finger pressed there. Just press it quickly. So you see, these are our inputs: HDMI 1, 2, 3, AV input, and also live TV. So let's say you want to select HDMI 3. So I'll give a first tap so the menu appears, and then with small taps I'll go, and once HDMI 3 is highlighted, I will lift my finger from the button and it will be automatically selected and you will go to that specific input. Same thing, if you want to go back home, do the same thing. By giving small taps, you are able to select home and it goes there. Unfortunately, without remote control, you cannot select one of these apps. You can simply select different inputs, including live TV. To turn off your TV by using the same method, just select turn off TV and usually after 3 seconds the screen will go all dark. To turn on your TV without remote, just tap once on that button. So this is it. This is how you change the different inputs on your Hisense Roku TV without having any remote control. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.